Gregor Mendel, born on July 20th, 1822, in the small village of Heinzendorf, now Hynčice, Czech Republic, is widely regarded as the father of modern genetics. His groundbreaking work on inheritance patterns revolutionized biology and established the foundation for the field of genetics. Though his discoveries were initially overlooked, they eventually became pivotal to our understanding of heredity. Mendel was born into a humble farming family and spent much of his early life immersed in the rural countryside. In 1843, he entered the Augustinian monastery in Brno, now Brno, Czech Republic, to pursue studies in philosophy and theology, intending to become a priest. However, his curiosity and passion for natural sciences soon took precedence. As a novice monk, Mendel became involved in the monastery's scientific endeavors, which inspired his interest in biology and plant hybridization. In the mid-1850s, Mendel began a series of meticulous experiments on plant hybridization, focusing on pea plants, Pisum sativum. These plants were ideal for study due to their distinct, observable traits and their ability to self-pollinate, allowing for controlled breeding. Over 8 years, Mendel crossbred thousands of pea plants, carefully documenting physical traits such as seed color, seed shape, and plant height. His goal was to uncover how traits were passed from one generation to the next. Through his experiments, Mendel discovered fundamental patterns of inheritance. He observed that certain traits were passed down in predictable ways and proposed the existence of factors, now known as genes, that govern heredity. Mendel's findings were both revolutionary and elegantly simple. Traits are inherited independently, with each trait determined by a pair of factors, one from each parent. In 1865, Mendel presented his findings in 2 papers titled Experiments on Plant Hybridization, where he introduced key concepts such as dominant and recessive traits. He also formulated the foundational laws of inheritance. The law of segregation. Each organism carries 2 alleles for each trait, which separate during gamete formation, ensuring each gamete carries only 1 allele. The law of independent assortment. Genes for different traits are inherited independently of one another. Despite the groundbreaking nature of his work, Mendel's research was largely ignored during his lifetime. His theories only gained recognition decades later, in the early 20th century, when scientists such as Hugo de Vries, Carl Correns, and Erich von Tschermak independently rediscovered his work. This resurgence in interest cemented Mendel's legacy in the scientific community. Mendel's contributions had profound implications, providing a framework for understanding chromosomes, DNA, and molecular genetics. His meticulous experiments demonstrated the power of scientific inquiry and the value of precise observation and record-keeping. Beyond genetics, Mendel also made contributions to meteorology and plant biology, studying honeybee behavior and the effects of weather on plant growth. However, it is his genetic research that secured his enduring place in history. Gregor Mendel passed away on January 6, 1884, at the age of 61. Today, his name is synonymous with the principles of heredity. Mendelian inheritance remains a cornerstone of biological science, and his legacy continues to inspire researchers worldwide. Mendel's story exemplifies the power of curiosity, dedication, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge.